This part is simpler than email. I mean that literally. When I first started, I couldn't even figure out how to set up a basic capture page, and the tools available right now would have saved me years of frustration. So if you're sitting there thinking it's too late or you're too behind on the tech side, I need you to stay for the next few minutes because what I'm about to walk you through is going to make you a little mad that no one showed you sooner. Because here's what I know about you. You've been working most of your life, decades, and somewhere along the way you started doing the math. You looked at what you saved, you looked at what you need, and the numbers don't line up. Maybe you're close, or maybe they're not even in the same zip code. And that feeling, that quiet worry that sits in your chest when you're thinking about 5 years from now, 10 years from now, nobody talks about that enough. So you start looking around. You Googled things like extra income after 50 or work from home, no experience. And what did you find? A wall of noise. People half your age talking 100 miles an hour about funnels and pixels and retargeting and algorithms. And you're sitting here thinking, I just want something that works. I don't need to become a software engineer. I need cash flow. That's the part that frustrates me. Not at you, at the information out there. Most of it is built for people who already live in this world. It assumes you've got hours to burn learning platforms. It assumes you're 25 with nothing but time. That's not you. And it doesn't have to be. Here's the thing. The reason why most people over 50 walk away from online business before they even start isn't because it's too hard. It's because they were shown the wrong version of it. The version that requires you to build everything from scratch. Design your own website. Write your own emails. Figure out payment processing. Connect 17 different tools together. Of course that feels overwhelming. It would overwhelm anybody. It assumes you've got a tech background. But what if the version that actually works for people like us looks nothing like that? Let me walk you through how an online affiliate business works when it's set up right. Once you see this, everything clicks. Step 1, you share a link. That's it. The same way you'd share a recipe with a friend or a restaurant recommendation. You put it on social media, you text it, you email it, whatever feels natural to you. That link sends people to a page that's already built. You didn't design it. You didn't code it. It was done for you before you ever showed up. Step 2, that page does the explaining. There's a short video. The information is laid out clearly. And when that person has questions, and they will, there's an AI right on the page that answers them 24 hours a day. Think about that for a second. You don't have to be on the phone. You don't have to sit at your computer waiting for someone to message you. You don't have to know every answer. The system handles that part while you're sleeping, while you're at dinner, while you're having an actual life. Step 3, when someone decides this is for them and signs up, you earn a commission. Not a tiny one either. 80 cents of every dollar goes back to you. That's not a typo. 80%. Most affiliate programs pay 10, maybe 20%. This is a completely different structure. And it's residual, meaning it doesn't pay you just once. It pays you again next month and the month after that. Now, let me pause here because I know what some of you are thinking. You're thinking, okay, Julie, I've tried things before and they didn't work. I totally get that. I really do. I'm not going to sit here and pretend that everything I've done has gone smooth because that would be a lie. I've had moments where I wanted to quit, moments where I felt like I was too far behind everyone else, but I made a decision that I was willing to become uncomfortable because I wanted to become more. That decision changed everything. And here's what's different now. The systems that exist today were built for people who don't want to spend weeks learning software. The pages are done. The emails are done. The AI handles the conversations. Your job is to share. That's the part you already know how to do. You share things you believe in with people you care about every single day. This is the same thing, except now you get paid for it consistently. And the beauty of this model, it works in small windows of time. 30 minutes in the morning before your day starts. A few minutes on your phone while you're waiting somewhere. You don't need 8 hours. You don't need to quit anything. You just need to start. By the way, if you want to see exactly how that 80% commission structure works, with a done-for-you system that handles the selling for you, go to julieungeronline.com or click the link in the description below.